Other stories you should know about today include shares in Australia's biggest winemaker, Treasury Wine Estates, shot up by more than 11%, despite half-year net profit dropping 7.5% to $109 million. The Penfolds owner, which has more than 70 wine brands, dramatically exceeded expectations in the wake of China hitting Aussie wines with tariffs of up to 170%. Treasury Wines has a stated aim of skewing to luxury and premium wine brands in future. The gold miner Evolution says half-year profit fell 60% to $90 million as total production from existing mines dropped. Evolution paid $1 billion to take over the Ernest Henry mine near Cloncurry in Queensland to bolster its reserves. The shares jumped around 1.5%. And shares in local lithium play, Liontown, jumped more than 17% after it signed a 5-year agreement to supply Tesla with lithium spodumene concentrate. There's just one problem here. Liontown doesn't produce any lithium, at least not yet. Its Kathleen Valley lithium project north of Kalgoorlie is not expected to start commercial production until 2025. The company, which lost $10 million last year, has a market valuation of $3.6 billion. Let's get across today's market moves with our business reporter, Ed Boyd. Ed, $3.6 billion for a $10 million loss. That's not bad, is it?
Pretty good, Ross. And look, the market today was supported by some strong profit results and a positive lead from the United States. The ASX 200 opened high this morning and kept rising throughout the day, finishing up about 1%. One of the best performers was retail shopping centre group Vicinity Centres. It reported a first half profit of about $650 million, which was a $1 billion turnaround from the loss it made last year. The company said retail sales rebounded strongly once restrictions in Victoria and New South Wales eased in October. Mortgage insurance company Genworth shares jumped after asset manager Ari's Management, which tried to buy AMP in 2020, reportedly bought a 15% stake in Genworth. Blood plasma and vaccine maker CSL's shares lifted after it upgraded its earnings guidance for the full year and maintained its interim dividend. One of the worst performers was wealth management platform NetWealth. Its shares slumped about 10% after reporting higher costs in the half year. And speaking of higher costs, the price of oil fell slightly overnight. It's now sitting at about $92 a barrel. The price fell after Russia said it had withdrawn some of its troops from the Ukraine border, easing some of those supply issues. And Ross, it's not just oil that's been costly. Gas prices are really high as well.
Yeah, exactly, Ed. Thank you so much.